Welcome to NT Ed. Nurturing talent, empowering dreams. Let's begin. India's first high-speed bullet train corridor is being developed between which two cities? Answer is Mumbai, Ahmedabad. Where was India's first artificial intelligence clinic inaugurated? Answer: Greater Noida. The Indian Army declared 2026 as which year? Answer: Year of Networking and Data Centricity. According to recent data, which country surpassed China to become the world's largest producer of rice? Answer: India. The Delhi government planned to declare which human condition a notifiable disease under the Epidemic Diseases Act in early 2026? Answer: Human rabies. The newly discovered reed snake, Calamaria mizoramensis, was found in which Indian state? Answer: Mizoram. India's first hydrogen-powered train is being developed by which manufacturing unit? Answer: Integral Coach Factory, ICF, Chennai. What is the name of the official mascot launched by UIDAI for Aadhaar? Answer: Uday. India held the presidency chair of which major international organization in 2026? Answer: BRICS. Which organization launched the eSafer Cybersecurity Awareness Program? Answer: National Commission for Women, NCW. Who has recently been appointed to the UN Committee on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, CESCR? Answer: Preeti Saran. The PACE satellite mission has been launched by which space organization? Answer: NASA. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC? Answer: Vibhor Jain. Where is the Gujarat government developing the Indo-Taiwan Industrial Park? Answer: Sanand Dholera region. Where was the India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise, the STILIC 2026, held? Answer. Namangan, Uzbekistan. Which Indian state became the first to launch a Marine Spatial Plan (MSP) for integrated coastal management? Answer. Odisha. Which country recently launched its new AI governance framework in early 2026? Answer. India. Exercise Desert Tiger 2026 was conducted between India and which country? Answer. UAE. Who was appointed as the new CEO of Intel? Answer. Lip Bhutan. Which Indian state launched the Green Hydrogen Policy? Answer. Gujarat. Exercise Varuna 2026 is a bilateral naval exercise between India and which country? Answer. France. Which country successfully tested a homegrown hypersonic missile in April 2026? Answer. India. Who was awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2026 for landmark contributions to mathematics? Answer. G. Faltings. Who won the Best Actor award at the 98th Academy Awards, Oscars 2026? Answer. Michael B. Jordan. Which actress won both the Oscar 2026 and Golden Globe 2026 Best Actress, Drama, for Hamnet? Answer. Carey Mulligan. Which team won the 10th edition of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Answer. India. Who captained Royal Challengers Bangalore, RCB, during their historic IPL 2026 victory? Answer. Smriti Mandhana. Which team registered a historical win by claiming the Ranji Trophy 2025-26? Answer. Vidarbh. Who won the men's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? Answer. Jannik Sinner. Who became the first athlete to win 9 Winter Olympic gold medals in history during the 2026 Games? Answer: Johannes Horsflot Klæbo. Which country won the Thomas Cup 2026 men's badminton? Answer: China. Who became the first Indian shuttler to achieve 500 career singles wins? Answer: PV Sindhu. Which state ranked first at the first edition of the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026? Answer: Odisha. Who was appointed as the third Chief of Defence Staff (CDS) of India? Answer: LT Gen N.S. Raja Subramani. Who was appointed as the new Governor of West Bengal in March 2026? Answer: Rajendra Vishwanath Alekar. Who is serving as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) in 2026? Answer: Sanjay Malhotra. Sane Takaichi was appointed as the 105th Prime Minister and first female PM of which country? Answer: Japan. Who was the first female astronaut to orbit the moon during NASA's Artemis II mission? Answer: Christina Koch. What is the main objective of the central government's PM Rahit Yojana introduced in 2026? Answer: Rural housing and infrastructure transformation. In which city was India's first ring metro launched in March 2026? Answer: Kolkata. The world's largest shivling was installed in which location? Answer: Motihari. Imoinu Erappa festival is celebrated with great fervor in which Indian state? Answer: Manipur. Which ministry launched the Electronics Components Manufacturing Scheme (ECMS)? Answer: Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology (METWI). Which international financial organization releases the Global Economic Prospects Report twice a year? Answer: World Bank. The Global Livability Index is published annually by which organization? Answer. Economist Intelligence Unit, EIU. Which country's football star became the first individual footballer to receive the Princess of Asturias Sports Award? Answer. Cristiano Ronaldo. Which Indian origin scientist was honored with the Breakthrough Prize 2026 in physics? Answer. Veerbhadran Ramanathan. Which two Indian women jointly won the Whitley Award 2026, Green Oscar, for wildlife conservation? Answer. Dr. Kriti Karant and partner conservationist. Who was named the player of the tournament in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? Answer. Sanju Samson. Which edition of the ICC Men's T20 World Cup took place in 2026? Answer. 10th. When is World Wetlands Day observed globally every year? Answer. 2nd February. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated annually on which date to mark the contribution of the overseas Indian community? Answer. 9th January. National Voters' Day in India is observed on which date? Answer. 25th January. World Cancer Day is observed on which date? Answer. 4th February. International Women's Day is celebrated worldwide on? Answer. 8th March. World Water Day, focused on sustainable freshwater management, falls on? Answer. 22nd March. World Health Day is marked every year on? Answer. 7th April. National Technology Day in India commemorates the Pokhran nuclear tests and is held on? Answer. 11th May. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on? Answer. 5th June. World Oceans Day is observed globally on? Answer. 8th June. International Day of Yoga is celebrated each year on? Answer. 21st June. India's rank in the global economy context in early 2026 reports positioned it as the world's what largest economy? Answer. 4th. The 5th schedule of the Constitution of India majorly deals with which of the following? Answer. Tribal Areas Administration and Scheduled Areas Control. Which committee recommended empowering Gram Sabhas to control natural resources in scheduled areas? Basis of PESA. Answer: Bhuria Committee. Pufferfish poisoning, often discussed in medical safety notes, is caused by which potent toxin? Answer: tetrodotoxin. Which organization released the Global Economic Outlook? Answer: IMF. What is the theme associated with BRICS 2026 Presidency Framework? Answer: Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability. In which year did South Africa join BRIC, transforming it into BRICS? Answer: 2011. Which Indian state won acclaim for early rural digital governance models and organic initiatives like Bamanwas Kankar Panchayat? Answer: Rajasthan. Which ministry organizes the Nari Shakti Vandan Run? Answer: Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The ALH Mk3 is an advanced military variant of which indigenous helicopter? Answer: Dhruv. Astra Mark II missile is developed by which premier Indian organization? Answer: DRDO. Which High Court observed important principles regarding privacy under the PM CARES Fund framework? Answer: Delhi High Court. Who directed or wrote the milestone Manipuri film, Phung? Answer: Lakshmi Priya Devi. Which Indian educator won the World Government Summit's Global Teacher Prize in Dubai? Answer: Dr. Kriti Karant. Who won both the Orange Cap and the Most Valuable Player award in IPL 2026? Answer: Virat Kohli. Where was the foundation stone for India's first driverless spot taxi project laid? Answer: Noida, Greater Noida region. Which country's team won the ICC Women's T20 or related major global cricket tournaments held early in the cycle? Answer: Australia. What is the primary focus of India's newly introduced Marine Spatial Plan, MSP? Answer: Integrated Coastal Zone Management and Sustainable Ocean Economy. Which scheme was widely discussed for electronics hardware components manufacturing boost in early 2026? Answer: ECMS. Which day is marked internationally as World Tuberculosis Day in late March? Answer: 24th March. International Day of Happiness is observed globally on? Answer: 20th March. World Consumer Rights Day is observed on? Answer: 15th March. National Vaccination Day in India falls on? Answer: 16th March. World Meteorological Day is marked annually on? Answer: 23rd March. International Day for Mine Awareness is observed on? Answer: 4th April. National Maritime Day in India is celebrated on? Answer: 5th April. World Heritage Day is observed globally on? Answer: 18th April. Earth Day, promoting environmental protection actions, is marked on? Answer: 22nd April. World Intellectual Property Day falls on? Answer: 26th April. International Labour Day, May Day, is celebrated on? Answer: 1st May. World Press Freedom Day is observed on? Answer: 3rd May. International Museum Day is celebrated on? Answer: 18th May. Anti-Terrorism Day in India is observed on the death anniversary of which leader? Answer: Rajiv Gandhi. World No Tobacco Day is observed annually on? Answer: 31st May. Global Day of Parents and World Milk Day are both celebrated on? Answer: 1st June. World Bicycle Day is marked globally on? Answer: 3rd June. World Day Against Child Labor is observed on? Answer: 12th June. World Blood Donor Day falls on? Answer: 14th June. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is observed on? Answer: 26th June. Thank you. Subscribe NT Ed for more educational videos. Comment your feedback and suggestions.